cleaning of the robot. Well, as you can see, the robot is now over there. So you just gently pull on the blue cable, just gently. So you pull it up, and when it's almost up, you can grab it on this handle here. And you take it out. There it is. And you open this little cupboard here, and there you see one of the filters, and there's the other one. You can just slide it out, and as you can see, it's pretty full. Alright, so just take them to the one of the garbage bins, and you just do this and that, and then you can remove the filter and wash it out. Okay, I will do that. I'll be back soon. Right, the filters are now clean, and I'll just slide them back in. As you can see, there's a big hole here. There's also a big hole there, so this one should be like this. Oops. That one over there. That one's over there. Just slide it in. There's only one way to slide it in. Just close the door, and then grab the handle and just put it in the water. It will sink automatically. Right, and that's it. Enjoy.